Good morning, everybody. Lancaster, 60 degrees right now. West-southwest wind, 17 miles an hour. Listen, it's going to get a little windy up there. This morning, mid-60s. We're a few degrees warmer because we have a lot of cloud cover. High wind warning now being issued out towards the Mojave. You can see it across the 5 as you head up the Grapevine. Be careful. Wind gusts 60 miles an hour. All the other high desert locations and the mountains almost, out towards San Bernardino. Wind advisories continue through Friday. If you're traveling today, all U.S. airports, they are up and running. No problems there. Low pressure continues for us. This trough will continue to dig through the area. That will continue all day long. Give us about a 20% chance of a shower somewhere. It's super fine right now. We're not really picking it up on radar, but it is enough to get some of the streets slick. Here you go. 74 today. The beach is 72. The valley's coming in at 75. We kind of hold there a little bit through tomorrow. We'll come up a little bit, but Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, our first Santa Ana event takes us offshore. Downtown gets up to 90. The beaches will get to the mid-80s. The valleys into the mid-90s or so. It's not a strong Santa Ana event, but it's around enough to affect your allergies, also fire dangers, and the temperatures are going to go up. So be vigilant, everybody.